All right, so we're gonna go through getting your ComEd interval data. So let's log in. I'll start from the beginning. You're gonna go from the website. You're gonna hit the sign in button and then sign in. It's gonna send you a code either through your email or your phone that's associated with the account. We're gonna use the phone. Right, I got the email, the text message. Okay. Quick second to load up your dashboard. Then you're going to go to my account and go down to my usage. What we're looking for is my green button data, which is right here, my green button data. We're going to click on that. Then it's going to bring you up to this window here. Then we're going to go to green button data, which is right here under download my data. We're going to want to make sure format is CSV. We're going to go down to export usage for a range of days. So this will only let you go to the 2 days prior than the date that you're requesting this data from. So we're going to keep it there, and then we're going to go back 12 months. So we're going to just go back to April. I'll just do April 2nd. Then we're going to export. It's downloaded, so it's going to be right here. We're going to open that up here. And then it's going to be a CEC Excel. So once you click into it, you're going to see that it's going to have the dates. It's going to have the times. So 1 in the morning, from 1 in the morning to 1:29. It's going to show the usage in kilowatt hours. So 0.26 kilowatt hours were used, and then it's going to actually show the rate. So this is the information that's going to be needed. This is a huge document. So when you go down, all the way down, you see that it is 17,564 rows. So you're going to want to take this document here and email it to the email that is on the screen. All right. And that is how you collect your green button data for your solar strategist.